Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. PocketFi listing, the game changer the crypto market has been waiting for. PocketFi is shaking up the crypto world and emerging as one of the most innovative Telegram-based projects of 2024. Combining cutting-edge decentralized finance, DeFi, tools with a seamless user experience, PocketFi isn't just a project, it's a movement. From cross-chain token transfers to sniping opportunities, copy trading, and more, PocketFi delivers a powerful all-in-one DeFi solution through an easy-to-use Telegram bot. Its goal? To make decentralized finance accessible, efficient, and engaging for everyone, regardless of experience level. With its popularity skyrocketing, PocketFi is gearing up for two monumental events: a highly anticipated airdrop and a listing on major cryptocurrency exchanges. These milestones will position PocketFi as a leader in the DeFi space and attract even more users and investors. PocketFi's explosive growth, by the numbers. PocketFi's rapid rise to fame is no accident. Its innovative approach and strong community engagement have propelled it to impressive heights. Over 9 million users and counting, making it one of the fastest-growing DeFi projects. A massive social media presence with 600 and 1,600 Twitter followers actively engaging with updates. An unparalleled 3.3 million subscribers on Telegram, a testament to its widespread appeal. PocketFi's strong foundation and enthusiastic community make it a must-watch project for Q4 2024 and beyond. PocketFi Airdrop, your chance to earn free tokens. The upcoming PocketFi Airdrop is creating massive buzz in the crypto world. Scheduled for Q4 2024, this event offers users an exciting opportunity to earn free PocketFi tokens and become part of the project's success story. What makes this airdrop special? Unlike traditional airdrops, PocketFi blends play-to-earn gaming with DeFi features, making the experience both rewarding and fun. Here's what you need to know. Earn through gaming. Users can participate in in-game missions and activities to collect tokens. Inclusive participation. Both new and existing users can qualify, ensuring the event benefits everyone in the community. Limited time offer. PocketFi's mining activities will officially end in Q4 2024, giving users a finite window to maximize their rewards. The airdrop is not just about free tokens, it's about building a stronger, more engaged community. These tokens can be used within the PocketFi ecosystem or traded on exchanges after the official listing. PocketFi listing, a milestone event. The highly anticipated PocketFi listing is expected to take place on major cryptocurrency exchanges in Q4 2024. While the exact date is yet to be announced, the excitement among traders and investors is palpable. Why this listing matters? Increased visibility. Being listed on top exchanges will expose PocketFi to millions of potential users and investors. Boosted liquidity. Listings on platforms with high trading volumes ensure that PocketFi tokens will have strong market activity. A growing ecosystem. The listing marks a critical step in PocketFi's journey to becoming a global DeFi powerhouse. PocketFi token price projections. Market analysts predict that PocketFi's token price could range between $0.008 and $0.012 at launch. These projections are fueled by the project's robust user base of over 9 million, unique DeFi tools and features, widespread adoption on Telegram, a platform with over 700 million active users. With such strong fundamentals, PocketFi is expected to see significant price appreciation post-listing, making it a promising opportunity for early investors. PocketFi, why it's the future of DeFi. PocketFi isn't just riding the wave of crypto trends, it's redefining how we interact with DeFi. Here's what sets it apart. 1. Seamless Telegram integration. As a Telegram mini-app, PocketFi allows users to manage wallets, swap tokens, and access advanced trading tools, all within the Telegram interface. This eliminates the need for separate platforms, making DeFi more accessible and user-friendly. 2. Comprehensive features. PocketFi's toolkit includes cross-chain transfers, easily move tokens between different blockchains. Sniping tools, secure the best deals during token launches. Copy trading, follow successful traders and replicate their strategies. Portfolio management, track your holdings and performance in real time. 3. Built for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, PocketFi offers features that cater to all experience levels. Its intuitive interface and helpful guides ensure that anyone can navigate the platform with ease. 4. Community-driven success. With millions of active users, PocketFi thrives on community engagement. Regular updates, events, and rewards keep users motivated and invested in the platform's growth. How to prepare for PocketFi's big launch. Here's how you can get ready for PocketFi's listing and airdrop. Stay informed, follow PocketFi's official channels on Telegram and Twitter for the latest announcements. Participate in the airdrop. Complete the required tasks to secure your free tokens before the mining phase ends. Set up on exchanges. Create accounts on major exchanges where PocketFi is expected to list. Engage with the platform. Familiarize yourself with PocketFi's features to make the most of its tools and opportunities. Plan your investment. Research the project and decide how you want to participate, whether by trading, holding tokens, or using them within the ecosystem. What's next for PocketFi? The upcoming airdrop and listing are just the beginning. PocketFi has ambitious plans for the future, including new features. Expect additional tools and integrations to enhance the user experience. Partnerships, collaborations with other projects and platforms to expand its reach. Ecosystem growth. PocketFi aims to build a thriving DeFi ecosystem with opportunities for gaming, trading, and more. PocketFi is the next big thing. PocketFi is more than just a DeFi project. It's a revolution in how we think about cryptocurrency and finance. With its seamless Telegram integration, powerful tools, and massive community, it's poised to become a cornerstone of the crypto world. Whether you're a gamer, a trader, or simply curious about crypto, PocketFi offers something for everyone. Don't miss out on the airdrops, listings, and the chance to be part of this groundbreaking journey. Get ready, PocketFi is about to change the game.